Wontumi asa no emu baako no wo mo ka ho asem nyina wie ene yesi wo mo file addresses no de wo pa file one file a 3rd July wo de atemu wo beba na ye twen sa atemu wo beba no ena ne council eyemia no fa lawyer and the appear kubi eze watwe no afirim na de wo kyerem ni se da bi enkomo ne bi wo a ekoso wo court wo a anu onwuno na anu onwuno into ayi no afirim ena se no kran there's nothing before the court wa says wo appear ekodie biem kwan se de atemu no ana ye twen enso so ayi no afirim mother cases ni de wada so ginam ba ko bi wo wa ewo Exim Bank eno wasama kodi emrem a eno so no ye twene dawe ko bo obosia so wode kodokua ena no so nsem ko ye deja eno so wagye atum se obetua sika no akwaje ye no wo mo ni wo mo ka ho asem ne atua dan se ye betwene nsamanko ewo court na akwasi abofo agye ofiri mampon wo de train na amachi dede na wadumbi wo titi mi wo tata mi odo sa seni etieni odo sa seni etieni odo ma me rawo na ose na baby ose ekoye se ka dada e betete wo sa wa na wo be pakie wo tumi humwa ka dada Usiesi away otchere na way. Usiesi away otchere. Rap battery na obre. Oh yeah. Oh sere was it. Was it brother tete brim battery foforo. Me kwa ba wate. Kwa bra. Obegele sese abre ya heduro de. Case ni de awie anisa. Enti de na ema a grounds for say uyi hu afim no ene de.
Kwame Asemba kwa meti media misre tibia sespa ne se abuche baby ya na si asema na ewo tibi so na obia hwebi na obia hwebia na nyina hu ababa nyina ebo no koto ho ewu nya pa o because public opinion no so ewu nya ene nipa ko bia so bi hu so bi hwe ochia ya na ozuma ye no ye fronko enti me Bopa said, "Can be do Rabia? You be one TV channel, a report to court case, a man nipa in United Yakoso. Now they make and they said, case no, I be do Sabrino. Me expressing disappointment be me now case no more, and none of me who said, and more me client, you know. And into me person number one, what it you? Yes, came out to me, Kweku say, what the cracker, what the 2 year a dead man who forest muno, I say, somebody assassin, what the move be a 1 year to me, 30 minutes out. Then I'm Remusu. You say, and somehow between a day, assassin to me, I'm mobile. I just watch your good cat also, Ama, the on a sign, Ama the Ode man so sign. Enti, say, a body question say, what the assignment Amobia. One is a minute you will offer me. You are assassin, the Moa. Sabe, you man on the Beckham. At least it will met me, some offer. Why are you lawyer need a deed of gift to mommy? That's right. And I said deed of assignment. A deed of assignment, yeah, sure. And then I said, my assign me interest. A wife assuming a diamond. Look, Sammy was a citizen will be by me, said, what signature clear, and I acquire and walk out. And say above me, Kweku say, made the assignment amount Kwamia. Now, there may be some court to say, assignment is not most of the diamond. One for who can't be my minister said to say, and then said, I am partnering in Ampa. You see, you come a true near Sakai, and near Buba, oh, assassin so. A true beer we're gonna have, it will be the window. It's a true now, Mukofire. wedding and say Chema Wontumi the deal that's who kata ownership document and new they prepare now when you say practice directions in criminal crime say I see discover every document here as a my economy
discoveries na PA was na sad deed of assignment and come
the been come and to me said they emotion say someone because say na assign interest am be e Ghana ha no I am actually say assignment biano it must be supported by conveyance document and to move up document to be mamere said and the client was saying that's when I sign dena ne say court no be say nipa no oboko edu say what sign the interest amount be assignment the mremu no ye de krata na eka enti krata no a de kia assignment no fama ye hwe na akadipa no a ono prosecutor no aka say assignment no krata no ebini anase ebini mi wo bi smintoma anase ebini ho na koyi na no sa na ni be si awon asem court ni say na dismiss motion no a bi dey say bisasam no ai ampa say ade na yes discover no a enka discovery no a me say me person mi hu say bi wo etiasa na etiasa ya dismiss okay anya me de kra eno na chi ehu ni say assembly no na that die say transit bi asem no itimi otchere baba adesha baba and yet no we gonna me you when me say ansana me kura me be engage me am magrekesi me wajuma wo ho amagigi kofonso adwuma bia me guso me ye na
ai council what three court na gina so was da bia de che da bia mbaba ebi okura na na mitimi hu se moba wo ka se moba ba no pa so ene uwie case na sabra ha awia wo be se wo hwe ma ne ko so
kwame ye kapa enu ni ntokwa ne back-court room honu mentimi hu se ne back-court room honu because na ye de show sa with the managing crofo na umfasisi crofo enti ye kapa with the back-court honu na mi say ye better yes bio ye kapa all cases
at a point no say court no sisiu and no client
biti ebi ohonu mu a me say ene me wo court ba ko wa court dey mu ebi a me court we say o say ani o wi a na 2 o'clock no baba court ye encourage how say o sare ya na ko pie o ebi u plan o strategy o ready no hu na o fi court bi mu no wa bre at 2 o'clock cases am beto aso we spoke to the court on all these things na court ne adamant to say na mom constitution kram say we do but gina court no say bo kura e see ma mre a we dey to me ayo case na ekoba say one day alone for 3 cases na ya ma mre no eti ye kan nyina wo court na enye juma
but council sabre na woni wo kwanse be appeal to the chief justice say wono nsem na cases nyina ewo say the way AC come emam ample time to prepare for mo cases that's our court wono sabre na ntimi appeal ana mramu na appeal to the chief justice say one more time leave of time say okay do your back now what you we now what you is missing kwa ma ni asaba na what you for so that you can prepare adequately
and adjournment the appealable on name
okay
in the court ho e me nyina tiase se mranu masu sa kwa no na nipa baako e se on tiase a eno na this situation you have entino ye complain no na ye ko check records no na ye hu say ye make no no kware na me de me kasema enya no kware enti asema me kai no kware enti even on the day I made motion I will say repeat it I will also point to circumstances, this situation, and this has to be by. And the filing submission of no case to answer. Submission of no case to answer. I have published it variously. Many responses from many forms who are almost so retired judges. My opinion. But opinion I court no say ya dismiss it. I am for ruling be explain why where we first sought and all that. No answer one sentence to dismiss.
One more grounds for refusing that motion.
One more grounds be no answer on the spell of I dismiss it. The attitude of the court towards defense counsel and the when say accused person, and I who say why some submission of no case you file a dismissal easily like that. You file appeal no court to her. You file some say of proceedings pending appeal. You dismiss it. Appeal no dear me decided to withdraw crime.
Okay,
last Thursday because court registry say appeal no because you say me be say that you settle records and I say me correct because register can say they are not able to lay hands on the file to be able to compare records. 6 weeks down the line, appeal in the one yet to be comparing records. Let's just say Magrimun, Myanmar Enkoyi, Beniti, Sanitary. Let me bring out all these things to the public and not me resign from the case. Nothing, trust. Now, appeal a down 6 weeks, I need over. A criminal trial. Now, file, I say, the compare appeal. Obitiswa, a man registered and campaign comparing records there. Now, the bill, anything. Maybe people from that.
Maybe said they didn't kind. Case no say what must say there is nothing over court will be apart from the Uko free me, and judgment will also be delivered on 3rd July. Now Obi Gwajina baby nkase ABA lawyer and the appeal could be when him the case na be lose so 3rd July antina or yes sir in anticipation of said case no and come out. Another one say justice will not be delivered on 3rd July.
They call me a case no I da hono. Minim say enkurimdie ni ngwase emewo. Na enkurimdie ni ngwase e wo hono. Media na fimu na so bi baji enkurimdie na obaji ni ngwase. Yekuenu. A case ne da hono. And I make a say assignment to kura ye kano. There is no document to evidence any assignment. They say the other charge is when you say we're facilitating the provision of mining support services. Everyone authorization from minister. Now, first question is is it a case that Wontumi was mining and therefore needed the support services? The answer is no, not on record. Is it a case that Wontumi Emma Obi document says provide this mining support services? The answer is no. Is it the case that Obi are providing a form of mining support services? The answer is yes, because it is reclamation of land. And only will be verbally this is what is on the record. Say there be the Kophobia illegal mining, no. I'm ready to hope. Are dangerous? Anything they could go and make the Kube. The Kube so I attach. And it is on record. And I admit, say, reclamation of land, you know, a support service. But in 2022, government launched a program to encourage communities to reclaim degraded lands as a result of illegal mining. Now, government program, no. Also, one more concession, encouraging so many World Bank, a bank could use World Bank, any year, former minister for Western region. What body who cut in now, but dear dance the report of newspaper, very graphic in now on record. I just said, a banwe monopoly team for a far coordinator. So on said, the very claim degraded land resulting from illegal mining. I mean, our record also. I just said, not a buying 60 years. A community be a movement, baby, the greater land will be what I'm running near the over Munkori claim land, no, now we are afforestation. I buy program. And you back and say, so will be clearly claim mine, illegally mined land, and also. And within the program of a buying or yes, project, and no, it's Yamra now. No, I will not answer. Now, Senya, a Chema Wontumi, and now who sent Crophobia Ligamani, Amawakobo, Amanewo, Regional Security Council. I'm a Regional Security Council, no, Ababe Pamunko for, I think Crophobi, they didn't cry a single China for, almost a few of China for Homeway, and Chema Wontumi, or no report to be a complaint. Someone coaching for my coaching Western Regional Minister and Wabai Bediatuo, now on the chairman of the Western Regional Security Council, Akufo Addo, Ampa Okohobi, na Ojina Hobi, Omuko for na Omuko operation widely, including some of the assassination. Now, evidence we will now I said, Chema ama ho kwan se obi nkori claim land bio na sasin so na eno so amaninya enti when evidence e work out ho and I'm saying this come up bra make now record of proceedings and I'm going to publish it after me withdrawal na sa records we da ho yi say e so bi di for yamene
Council, Obi Baby Sase. One Chama Wontumi or client no adwene ho ansa na wutu sa na mo se o withdraw.
Won say ono no ma majuma, ma na juma. Na adwuma mu no so emre bia wadwe yo say adwuma no Wontumi nto aso no utibika. Na so esese obona mane mane tiase nti obona mane ono onimpa say na ye motion no say me yi application.
Council, what the lawyer a check kakra why a case a would be case be or wa ubedim kunima wuhu case be on swa winning kunima wuhu per dear what can na before the court na who expect 3rd July say a better day
Kwame me to be a baby can say and someone can yellow cry. Obia Mekasa, na kind public, and someone making, say, Yano Korea, me pay Obiso of November can say, there be lawyer, some more can Yano Korea. Say, Bibi Sani Ho, now Obi, you know, Obia Mekasa, the Macani and Quaria, see a bedi for the bedi brim, also so for Libra.
Cousin Mammy Musa, Nikazis are wood when a wee free moon. And a way is what we were film will be baby sase one. Sanka ubetimi a train 3rd July no sebe kwa mamu se enko mama anko mama there is avenue for appeal. Now wako be a wako appeal against the judgment no me ade we be say ka na yen twen masa ade ni nsie
kwame obia wo binyame osum no ana nyankopon no wanche nyina achede pe ebinum wachede a etimi hu niema ebinum hu enti se nyame wadom na otimi hu niema ebinum hu a na esese odi to abim na eboa ma ye decisions enti ebi baby a na nyame kasa kire wo baby a na ese uti na odi adwuma enti baby e bedui
eji no nipa bi hu no Wamu said den anabia wama kanche said den nyame ache nipa bi ache there for that spirit of discernment. Wamu said den.
Kwabi
Na wan kasa so no say wo sa ache there no.
Se di ensafufuro bi ewo baabi na bokwa edubi ana de pata we de wuyi mu a ebi wo honuma se bi ade a bonye ni penya ne bon mu enti ebon na ti se bon de na watwe ho api ho
na cheze case no it smells. Na mami muso so we said the na one expedite case no monum ne set to agi aduro anopa ba ko awia ba ko saa awuze bibi kuta akire anasa wuze no de normal and I said yes di mu case no ampa ebi wo wa ye be ka say ye precedence in law anasa adjudication of cases e court
me say kwami na medical ka che ono case de da ho saa no based on the evidence na wo ho no results no the either animguasi ebeba anasa edinkurimdie ebeba eti prediction okay prophecy no the animguasi ebeba anasa edinkurimdie ebeba eti omo akuyenim no ombeyi sa ni memu baako
na me hwa de we ye na case we na wuyi wo afiri mu na other cases no so
other cases. Na case we no kura no me hu afiri mu at the instant court no. I'm still pursuing the appeal. And the other cases no me me mu adwuma. And nano ba cross examination of the investigator. Records no ho kwa ya me bi dia bro.
O famia kwa menante abeje.
Eriti ye betwa me so na ye wie a ade a media me hia o Ghana ha ne se adwuma bi ade be show nsa no ye nyame kwas na enu na di enmunyam
we no wo kama hwan no
ni kama obia
yo
ye nyina adwuma bi ade be show nsa bia no nyame ka okuma se nyame kwas na wo ye no se wo ye ne saa enmunyam edi wachi na se would consideration be a enka de we ye no ho ebe ye wadwuma animguasi atwa
ai kanse we kan wo binti na uhunu we num nti e na aka se ye mompa ye macha ma wontumi na na
empa ye de hu hia da bia ano prayer me sorry ansana me ba for mo am no kase ma bom me humpa ye senyan kupon ho fa me kono sampa me mrefi empa ye hu hia da bia na bonsam wo honti ne bompa di yankopon di edimu enti bi o hon mo bonsam no nso express sa o di nipa na ejuma enti abonsam funu ye bompa ye na yankopon si obukwan enti abonsam funu ti de bia no ye mpaibo
na wadi kan chire niam asi wo court wa ne ade a se ukika di aka ibomu a akogina so kra ma wo twe ho afiri sa case mu a ubaka say the end result no as in respect of the judgment ebeba 3 July no wo fi ebeye favorable to you and your client ana say ebeta fra hwiase ana de ebeba bia no nyame na amanaba
nyame kyo hwe nyina so nemo nyame ma etumi ni ahodin ne de ye nedwuma nedwuma no nyame afa eso ade aye no nti no ye wari hwem se esese yinya ekudibie se ekoba se wa kasa de mache wase wo kesi mu na me ke se me hwehwe be ma obeba nanim abeka kire mi se ensema me kan ye rekware na se ensema me kan ye rekware dia ye nyina ye Ghana fo no ye fa ye hu se judges na yekese ensemna yakenya nyina jatum se elukware no itimi gina so ebu obi kumfa anase itimi gina so the judgment is for our back
Council na yemra eno so yehunu ba ko se efa eye exim bank case no mo application bi na mo de plea bargaining na eno mu na me pese metie se ampasa application wo ho
yo mi kwami makaya semba kubi amamifa enye matise lawyer for bi susu the opinions bi ba and SSK consolidated cases no and SSK nipa no mo kasa saa no adwuma no obi a wo kwan fa so yɛ de o
ana kyɛ sɛ ɔmbɛsɛ ɔmkyɛ sɛ nka monka cases ni nyinaa mbom nyɛ ne baako
obi a wo kwan fa so yɛ de adwuma sɛ mo pii for due respect to everybody and indeed sɛ ɔno nim saa opinion no fi sɛ bɛyɛ a ekasa no why did they not also consult and I say offer opinions but I don't believe that the omo can also and na in my training in my procedure no and na kamefa so we criminal trial no instituted by the attorney general and attorney general no omune kasa na say men so omune kasa na say where in the records and more consolidated criminal cases are incidents where different places, circumstances need different, and charges also different, and accused persons different. Give me so knowledge be an appreciation. You can share it, but so now sarcasm I avoid. It is not the proper way to pass comments.
Kanza yamla na eyi se plea bargaining act no ewo ho abebode de yesi enim se you must be convicted and sana Wontumi ignited that plea bargaining process no eno de no when mu no mo kan say anasa ente saase de making Monre lawyer and the appear Kubi and from a council for chairman Wontumi and the NAPO commander na ye sam hwen biem na amanatiko obi me sam akwaba
Kobe is it better girl anatiko
cause metie a plea bargaining na mode application na mode ekwadan court no
yo and yeah the charge for abo say my Wontumi the company of good farms almost say they make be new Wontumi farms in a quarter now they are consolidated accountaments so one more can we know parties need different Wontumi farms any accountaments consolidation no everything we know borrowing in respect of as bank facility and we say mine support services and the correlation with him the pakasa na mami kakra akunta Wontumi farms the records they say on as bank di kuta ho se omo fase ekoye bi na enunti here financial support into your application for a loan the bimano full would be room at some point you see on the second best farmer in Saturday with the person na loan no sikano records say
mami musadie we se ye ka se wo bi ekoye sa plea bargaining na amanfo adwene eyo mo ntamta se eye bank na me ne wo mo anya etika the case is civil in nature we eye den na a border on criminality ya akwakopie hoyi
and the question now can a case indeed almost started by 7 years at with and he responded no move draw at the back draw and now criminal summons no by criminal summons no or we say deferring by false pretenses or by say and some of kind DJ na papa and I say
council not just only in criminal and other offences act 101 act 101 no mo dey be we no
and na so almost say money never mo can be no and I say so also for the papa and the betray when we need I said the about no sometimes put this in the na yan ye hwe ni memunu na emrazo so emai hukwan criminal proceedings amendment act of 2022 focus on plea bargaining which say assembly honum na say best collective interest betrase na yaka ho asem na yesia eno emrama ho kwan enti section 162A be under sac law and plea agreement ho kwan enti yahemunu yesto yakutase asem ya wukra okay basic asem bi ho asem ni ade enti enkotrase ni agasi bitimi anya enti asem muna yakade sese ubia ni aje ebebi una enti e copy bargaining na win-win situation ye kope ebi de ubia betini ho aske na ewi ase we nim emranim no mu se nipa minu ni asem na se omu siesie omu ntem na anya papa kra no mu nyantiase wo siesie no a papa se nipa minu kro no abegina papa ama ya buba kwate na ba kwedi for na ba kwedi
Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.